Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Alright, so I'm being asked to factor these expressions right here. Okay? Alright, so this A part right here, let's see. So whenever I'm factoring, I know the first thing that I want to be thinking of is having something outside, and then I'm going to have something inside a parenthesis. So that's what I'm thinking of right now. So I have something out, something inside. Okay? Alright, that's my thinking. Okay. And to figure out what comes outside, I know always the greatest common factor comes out. So I first look at the numbers in front, the 26 and the 13. So what is the biggest number that can divide into 26 and 13? Oh, the greatest common factor for 26 and 13. And what is it? The greatest one, right? That is 13. So that will come out. And what else would join 13 out of the parentheses? I have to look at the variables. Look at the common variables. So V is on this side and V is on that side. So the V's are common right here. I pick the one with the lowest power. So that means I'm going to pick this one to join the 13. So I have V4. And then what else is common? I have X on this side and I have X on that side. I pick the one with the lowest power. So I'm going to pick this one that will join that outside. So I have X squared out. I have Y here, but there's no Y on that side. So that means I cannot attach the Y to this. So I'm done. So this will be outside the parentheses right there. Okay? So now what goes inside the parentheses? To figure that out, I'm taking this one and then dividing by this one. So this is what I'm going to do right here. Okay, I don't know what I picked. Let me just drop it. Alright, back to this. This is what I'm going to do. I'm taking this one divided by that one, right? So I do 26 divided by 13. I can use a calculator if I'm allowed to. But 36 divided by 13 is 2 though. So I have my 2. And then V4 divided by V4. They are all the same, so that will just cancel it out. And X2 divided by X2. They are the same, so that will cancel it out. And what is left? Y5. So I'm just going to add Y5 to that. And now I'm moving on to the next term. We call these terms. I remember that. So I'm moving on to this term right here. There's a minus sign. I bring my minus sign. What times? So I'm taking this one divided by this one right here. So 13 divided by 13 is 1. And then I have V8 divided by V4. So I subtract the power. So 8 minus the 4 is 4. So I have V4. And then again, I'm still dividing, right? So X7 divided by X2. When that happens, I have to subtract the powers. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So I have X5. And that will just be it. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Alright, now let's see this one too. So again, this one is the same thing. When I'm asked to factor, I want to think of it, put it in that way, have something outside and something inside the parentheses. So what comes out is a GCF, right? So what is the biggest number that can divide into 18 and 30? What is the biggest number that can divide into 18 and 30? That is 6. So 6 comes out. And now I'm looking at the variables. What are the common variables? Once I find it, I just pick the lowest power. So I have a U on this side and then U7 on that side. So which one has the lowest power? Actually, there's like a 1 here. So 1 and 7. 1 is lower. So the U comes out. And then I see X and then X. So they come on. Just choose the one, the lowest power, right? X2 will come out. There's y here. There's no y on that side. So I cannot bring out y. So I'm good. I'm good. Okay. And then what goes inside the parentheses? To figure that out, I know I take each term divided by what I have outside. Each term divided by what I have outside. So I'm going to make it easier for me right now. So I said I'm taking this right. Let me just do it on the side. And I'll just erase it when I'm done. So to figure out what goes inside, I said I take this one. So I have 18 ux2y3 divided by 6 ux2. And I'm going to solve it. Whatever I get, I put it in. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. And then I have u and then u. Same thing, that will cross out. I have x squared and then x squared. That will cross out. So now what do I have left? I have 3y3. So that tells me 3y3 will just be right there. And I do the same thing for the next one. There's a plus. So let me just put a plus before I forget. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here, right? So I take this right here, the 30u7 x6, and I'm dividing by what I have outside. So my 6ux2, ux2. And I'm going to just cancel. So I have 30 divided by 6 is 5. And then the u7 and then u1, right? Whenever I have that, the rule is I can subtract the powers. So I have 7 minus 1 is 6. So the u6 will be up. And then I have x6, x2, right? The rule again is I can subtract the powers. So 6 minus 2 is 4, right? So now I have x4 up top. So what do I have as my answer? I see 5u6 x4. And then I'll just put that right here. So 5u6 x4. And that would just be my answer. This wasn't too bad. I love this. So always, I need to have something come out, try to have something out, and something inside the parentheses. And what goes into the numbers in front is what I start with. And the common variables, I choose the one with the lowest power. I take each term, divide by what I have outside, and that goes in. So the first term divided by what I have outside, second term divided by what I have outside. I can do that on the side. Whatever I get, I put it right inside parentheses. This wasn't too bad. I like this. Now, let me do the last one. You thought I was going to do it? It's your turn. I want you to do this on your own. And of course, other questions. So you can make sure you really got this. And I know you got this.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.